Hey guys, welcome to Apple Tech Review. This is the Infinix Smart 5. Today we are going to make a review about this phone. We say what it can do and what is good about it. So let's go ahead and check what comes in the box. So it comes with this adapter with the 1.2 amperes output and the headsets of this type, which I don't think they are that much good, and also the USB cable which you can use in this charger to charge your phone. So let's put aside this. So another thing, it also comes with this plastic cover, which I don't advise people to use. As we have seen, it damages the screen, the phone. It gives it a lot of scratches. Then here we have the SIM card ejector pin. So here, what do we have? We have the phone, main with the phone, which is Smart 5. This Smart 5, it's 32 GB plus 2 GB RAM. So it comes with 5000 milliamperes battery size, and also they say that it's a water drop sunrise display, which is 6.6. As you can see, the screen is big, the display. Then we have the front camera, which is a 8 megapixel, and the fingerprints, which is here. Also the phone unlock, but I don't like using this one, because it is very slow. So let's go ahead and we'll check the features of this phone. Meanwhile, you can also check the time it will take to go on.
Let's set the timer. We'll see how long it can take to go on from. Okay, let them set it on. Switch it on, then we'll press the timer. So we're going to see how long it can take to go on.
Yeah guys, so as you can see, it doesn't even take a single minute. It only takes 51 seconds to go on. So as you can see, the display is not bad. The display is nice. Then as I've said, the display is 6.6. so if you want a big phone which you can hold and you feel you're holding a big phone, as you can see, I cannot touch on its notch when I'm holding it with my hand. It's really a big display. So when we talk on the design of this phone, the screen size is 6.6. Then it comes with this notch with a camera of 8 megapixel selfie. Then on the right side we have volume buttons and the power buttons. Then on another side there is a SIM card and a memory card. It's a dual SIM card phone. Then here on the top we don't have anything here, only the speaker here, which we call the earpiece. Then on the below, and here on the bottom, we have the speaker and the USB 2.0, which is the usual smartphone, and the 3.5 headphone jack here. And here also we have the earpiece. Most of the people, when they are talking on the phone, they don't know that it's the earpiece which the phone uses to record or to transfer from the sender to the receiver. So you, the don't speak from here if you want someone to hear you very well. Yeah, then on the back we have the rear fingerprints here. Yeah, then also it has triple LED flash. As you can see, it's triple. There are 3 inside, and also it has the dual cameras. So this camera is 13 megapixel. As we saw in the previous review of Spark 7, the camera is bigger than this one. This one is 13. Spark 7, it is 16 megapixel. Yeah, so to go ahead and check on the software of this phone, let's go direct into the settings. We see the package of this phone. So when we check from here, you see this is the software, Dolphin V 6.2. It was released in 2020 August, so that means that this one has been upgraded. But if you want a cheap phone which you can use and with a good battery, you can also consider using this Smart 5, because it has 5000 milliamperes, and this type of Infinix phones, they have a really good batteries which you can last a day without charging. So it comes with the Android 10, but you can also upgrade it to Android 11. Once you get it, you can update it to Android 11. So this is the Android 10. This is how you can check it. This is Android 10. Yeah. So guys, the storage of this phone, the storage is only 32 megapixel plus 2 GB RAM, but you can also get 64 and 3 GB. It's also there. This is the speed. It only has 1.3 gigahertz. So if you're interested to get a phone which is simple and very nice, you can also consider taking this phone. Yeah, so guys, please don't forget to leave a comment if you know you have anything or you want to share with me. Please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.